At Edmund Optics, a sponsor of the Epic 20th anniversary party. So, Latifa, tell me, what am I seeing here?
Yeah, so here we have two telecentric imaging lenses. They're essentially the same lenses except for the illumination pattern. So for this lens here, we have an inline illumination, and for the other lens here, we have a ring light illumination.
Okay, so it's interesting that you're showing this on an SMT device. So if I understand this correctly, this could accelerate the throughput during the inspection process in a factory. Like this facilitates high volume production. Do I understand this correctly?
Surely. I think this is just one application of what you can do with these two different lenses.
Well, I mean, look at this. It's just so clear.
Yeah, so if you want to detect fine features, then you might want something more like the ring light illumination, because you get an angled illumination, which will pull out the small features in the images.
Okay, so why this is really important is this enables me to do solder checking, because one of the challenges with SMT production is making sure that the reflow process is uniform.
Yes.
And so this tool solves a lot of problems right there in that realm.
Exactly.
Well, so thank you so much for telling me about what Edmund Optics is doing.
Yeah, no problem. Happy to help.